Okay, let me start today's session. First, whenever starting, we need to set up a few things before going to the configuration company code. First is what we need to do the configuration in the system level. We need to see the what is the country. We need to check the few things. Country level settings, either currency settings. We need to do these two settings before going to the configuration. First, we need to set up the country level setting. Okay. Country level setting, this one, SPRO, gateway tally, configuration.
Your screen is not visible, Shyam.
You're unable to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Let me share my screen again. Now,
No, it's
hello.
not. No.
Already share my screen. Now we're
Yeah,
able to see.
yeah, it's okay.
Yes. First, we need to understanding the two things. One is the currency setting for in the country level. Okay. First, go to the country level setup. See, in the country level setup, for example, what our country we have to record. For example, business, we need to create a India, either US, UK. From your side, don't do any configuration. Already, this is available in the system side. Okay. If you go to here, for example, I can select here India, IN. We can double click here. In the India level, my country, what is the country? Then what is the name? All those things is there available in the system level. Then we have to check the two things only. This is the thing. What is the my reporting currency? What is the index currency you want? Okay. These two things we need to update it. What is my index currency? We need to update the system. What is my hard currency? These two things only we need to update the before going to this configuration. But as of now, we cannot finalize the what is my index currency, what is my group currency. We cannot to post anything. Okay. But first we need to check these two fields before configuration. I can maintain any currency, index currency, any currency maintain the odd currency. Then if you any currency we can maintain, then based on this we can do the configuration. As of now, we cannot maintain anything in the currency level. Then we can decide the what need to countries is there the configuration or business based on the US or UK or India. Then only we can do it the configuration. Then same thing we can check the US as well as US country. US also we have maintained any odd currency, index currency. Here also there is nothing is maintained index currency, odd currency. Okay. First we need to, as of now, we cannot do any action from our side. First we can check the configuration, it is there properly or not. Okay. Then if you want, we can create any kind of new regions. We can define this one here. We can go for the new entries. We can, for example, sorry, I need to back one more step. See, I need to define any state, we can yet create it. If you, for example, Telangana is there, okay? If you Telangana, it is not there, for example, we can create the Telangana state like that, we can create it, okay? As of now, this is also is not necessary. Cancel the screen. See, if you any kind of states is required, for example, already here there in India everything, right? Not necessary create anything. If you want, we can create any kind of new country. Okay, go for the new entries. We can create it the accordingly. Okay, which country we have. If you it is there in the system now, we can do anything. But if it required, we can create any new countries, either new things. We have to go to the new entries accordingly. We can create it. Okay, if you want, I can create from our reference purpose. Okay, I can create it for this is only testing purpose only. I can take India. I can copy this one. I need to copy here. Na, I need to, for example, I need to create Z1. Okay. If you Z1, it is, for example, India Z1. If you, it is there in this company, like this, we can do it. Then put the copy button. You can save it simply. Okay. And save. I can create, I can tell you what is this transport request. Okay. Okay. You need to create transport request here. Okay. Okay. It is done. See, same thing only. Set countries also we can see in the countries level. We can each country wise we can do that. Okay, this is the country level sorting. For example, if you create new country na, we can create this new countries. Okay, then country codes, we can define any kind of country code. This is configuration only whenever implemented. Before implementation only we can do this in this all kind of configuration. Okay, this all kind of configuration. What is this country, all the this codes, everything. Then we have to this all the configuration once done. We need to go for the this currency settings. In the currency settings, what is the currency we are using, what are the currency types you're using, then we can define the all kind of currency settings, as well as what is the my currency, what are the currency we have different, what is the exchange rate we need to maintain. This all kind of configuration we have to do it here. For example, check the my currency codes. For example, what are the currency you have to do the transaction for INR. If you there and we need to check INR, it is there. INR, USD is there or not? USD, USD, USD. It is there. USD currency as well as Euro currency is there or not? Before we need to check these currencies. For example, what are the business you have to the currencies? This currencies is there or not? If you not there, we can create the currencies as well as. And then we can set the dimension of currencies of the then we have to, I can explain this one, direct quotation by indirect quotation. This is we can do the currency side. Then before we can done this two configuration, first we have to check the country chart configuration, as well as the we need to check the once we have done this country chart of account then we can go to the region wise. Okay, region the country is checked with there or not, then we can do these two things then after we can go for the country setting, as well as two we have to do that. Then after we can go to the create the company code settings. Okay, go for here. I can close these two tabs. Go to SPRO. First we have to check the enterprise structures. Okay, before the whatever the before doing the two thing configuration, we need to understanding what are the currencies there or not. For example, your business it is there in the US relative currencies. The currencies it is there or not. First we need to, if you not there, we can create the particular currency. If they're not necessary, do anything. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Hello. Now I need to create the company code. Okay.
Okay.
Then go to the first definition. Here now multiple enterprise structures is there. Okay, financial accounting, control, logistics module, and sales and distribution. Then our for our FICO belongs to the, as for the we need to create the financial as well as the control. First, we need to do the financial accounting. In the financial accounting, what is the first is there?
Define company.
Define company. Then define company. Now, what is the company? Define company. What is the define company? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, it's like what can I say? So number of companies comes under one group now. That is called
Yes.
company.
Yes. Consideration report purpose. We have to create the company. Okay.
A company represents the group, right?
Yeah, company, it is represent of the group. It is a consider of the all company code. One or two company codes is that this two company code, it is belongs to the which company. That is the one we have to represent. Okay.
Yeah.
Then I have to create it three company codes. One is the Euro, one is for one is the India, one is the Singapore, one is the US. Okay. Then only we can go for the, each of them. Okay. First, I need to define the first company code. Okay. Go to the new entry. I can enter the this field. What is the my company? What is I need to put? I can put the BHL. Okay. Okay. BHL. I can put the BHL India IN. Okay. I can enter here na BHL Group Limited. Okay. Limited Company India. Okay. Then same thing I can put here only BHL India. Put the here India only. I can put India name, address, everything need to put. My postal ID, we need to put the my postal box ID. Where is this allocated? Okay. For example, postal ID I need to put 530014 for example. Same thing I can put here also.
So post box and postal code both are same.
I can put for example. Okay, this belongs to
And normally
India.
I'm asking what is the difference between post box and postal code?
This is the address only, bro. I am not sure except these two things. This is the address on. This is we have to give in the business only. This requirement.
Okay.
Okay. This two, if you don't, for example, in this case, now if you don't know, na, if you remove this one, either we can ask to business. Not necessary. We can do go to manual. Then
It's not a mandatory thing.
mandatory thing. Then I need to put here na what is my currency. Okay. Then what this India is there. Na? This is the India. We are what is the reason IN. Then
English.
language English. Then currency
IN.
INR. This two this put these things. Then simply save it. Okay. It is not allowing. Most of a 3 6 digits only. I can remove one. Okay. If you I can create it. Okay. I can BHL company code. This tier I need to store the data. Okay. Then this is the belongs to India. Okay. Now I can create the Singapore. Okay. Same BHL.
Yes, G.
I can put the SG.
Yeah. I have one more doubt.
Hmm.
If it is same company means we can create as a company codes under one group.
No, it is only one group. But if you multiple company codes also, we can create only one only. It's not necessary.
Okay.
But this is the only we are understanding purpose only.
Okay.
But I also, if you want to create it one, but it is easy for me also as well. But whenever we doing this understanding purpose one, I can put the same only. City Singapore, SG, SG, Singapore, country also EN, Singapore rich currency,
SGD.
SGD, right?
Yes. Singapore dollar.
Singapore dollar. Put enter, then save it. Then after we can put the one more thing as well as US. Okay. US.
So company will be alphanumeric, right? We can give
Anything we can give it, no issue. But for the
up
format
to 6
purpose,
letters, right?
6 letters. Company we can put the 6 letters. Company code only 4 letters only.
Okay.
This is the US. I can put this anything. I can put this US based. This is US. EN. Then here currency USD. Okay.
Showing first code should be 5 to 10.
It is not taking.
No, only you give either 5 or either 10. No, in below it was showing, right? First code should be either 5 digits or 10 digits.
It is not taking.
Try with 5 digits.
452. I can put the 452.
3 1.
Save it. Okay, it is done. This is the company code. Okay, how many company codes you have created? A company's three company code. This is the only this is for only consider the reporting purpose only. Okay, we can copy, we can push here. Same thing, you can copy, you can paste here, and we can save it. If you want, I can take a screenshot. This is as well as screenshot. We can put here company. This is the reason we can do from our end. Company. I have created 3 company codes. Okay, then I can give the path as well as save it, go back, I can go back, I can give this path. Okay. Then after we need to create the then we need to create the define create controlling area. What is this different controlling area? We need to discuss further after. We need to find, we can define first. This create controlling area, nothing but each department or each country wise how much amount we need to do the further create controlling area. That we need to figure out here. Okay. This is the create controlling area. It is coming from the customer side. This is the lengthy syllabus is there, but we are understanding purpose only each country level we can define this create control limit. Okay, then we have to segregate the for our purpose only create control BHL, BHL, BHL. What I mentioned here BHIN. Put the INR. Then save it. Then after we can create everything. Then after we can go for the another BHSG. SGCD. I can update this all the things whenever you discussion about this create controlling area. For this, I can put one more also BH, VS as well as VS, USD. Save it. I can put this screenshot. This is the only reference purpose only. It's the same path only. We can do it here. Then now we can go for the main feature, our company. Okay. Yes. Now onwards, we need to go for the each configuration wise. Once we have to create the create controlling area, then we need to go for the company code. Okay. In this company code, this is the company code. What is the company code meaning? All the things. This company code nothing but a legal entity. I need to delete these two things. Deleted. Okay. Yes. Then we need to create a company code here. Okay. Then company code we need to, how many company code we have to create it. For our case, we need to create the 3 company codes. Okay. One is the India, one is the US, one is the Singapore currencies. If you want, we can any current we need to record any other than we can create accordingly. If you 3 is enough, we can create the 3 company codes. If you other than 3, we can create accordingly. What do you want? We can create only 3 other than also. Hello?
Yeah.
We can create the 3 company codes. Then 3 company codes we can accordingly we can discuss. Okay.
Okay.
What other things is there? Then if you go here go back, save as here, go to the create edit. Okay, go for the new entry. Okay, then first we need to create the what is the company code, nothing but it is the legal entity. Okay, legal entity report purpose only we have to create the company code. This 3 or 4 company codes we need to consider the one company. Understand what is the terminology? What is the company? Legal entity. 1 or 2 company
prepare financial statements.
To prepare the finance statement, we can submit the audit report. This is the only we can simple cut. What is
Yeah.
the company code? Nothing but a legal entity purpose. We can create the company. This company, one or two company code, we need to consider the one company. Okay. For the report consider. Okay.
Yes.
This is the company code. We have to segregate the three kind of company codes. Okay. First of all, I need to create the BHIN. Okay. BHL.
Hyderabad, you can give.
BHL company. I can put India because I need to Hyderabad. I need to create the business here. That's why I couldn't mention here. Okay. BHL company, India. Okay. Then this is the where we need to allocate this company. Okay. Either we need to allocate Hyderabad. We can put the Hyderabad. Okay, here. Okay.
Okay.
Then which state? We can put the which state we have to this. Either India. Sorry, AP. AP is there. No? AP is not there maybe.
Oh, that
If
is
you
country region, no? Country.
raise this region IN.
IN only it will come.
IN region IN. It is where is not there. Put the IN. IN. Currency.
IN.
INR. Then put the
English.
English. Enter. Then go further, save it. Okay. Then we can put the title. It is belongs to the company code. What kind of title? Either company code, either partner. What is the personal account? Then we can go to for that. This I can put the company. Then we need to enter the company name. BHL India company. Same only. Put the any kind. What is this such alert terms? Na? We need to, for example, we need to, if you forget this company name, na, we can put this, whenever search this, na, we can put this name, BHL IN. Then only we can find this name, BHEL IN. Then we can put what is my country, IN. Then state we need to put Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Now enter, save it. Okay. This is the one we have to create it. If you want, this screenshot is required, right? You? Hello?
Yeah.
If you want, I can take this all the screens. If not necessary, I can go for the fast way. That's why
Yeah, you can go forward.
Otherwise, I can take the screenshot the better. Okay, I can go for fastly, and then we can take this screenshot. Okay.
Because anyhow we have a recording now, not an issue.
Either better. BHSG. Okay. Then we need to create one more is the BHR Singapore. Okay. Here also I can put the BHL Singapore. put the FG, put the
SGD.
SGD, then you can put the IN. Okay, go further, take a screenshot.
Okay, it's not required, I think.
The better for my understanding also what company codes we have to create it. Okay, save India company. I can put the BHL SG SC. You can select this region, anything if you required. Enter and save it. Then another is BHL US. BHL US. BHL US. BHL US. Not a state. I can put the US only. Then USD, INR. Sorry, English. Enter. I can take the screenshot as well as. Okay, and save it. Company BHL US US something 01. I can put it here. It is not there. Okay, something I can put. Save and save. I can take the screenshot. Already I can take the screenshot, right? Okay, fine. This is the one. Okay. Then next we need to discuss about we need to create the business area. Okay.
Okay.
Go back. Then we have to create 3 company codes.
Again, these company codes we need to assign companies, right?
Yes, we need to assign to the company, the particular company. That is, I will do it. Not now. First, we need to create all the organized element. Then only we can do it. Okay.
Okay.
Step by step. Then we need to create the business area. I can enter this all the. I can write this. What is the T report? I can send it with you. Okay.
Okay.
Then go back one step. Again one step. Business area. Okay. We need to create this business area. Na?
Yes.
This business area only whenever do the any kind of configuration time is required. This business area, each of this business now where we need to apply this business area. Okay. For example, I need to create it here business area. This is the only reporting purpose only the business area profit center segment. Okay. Then whenever do the configuration, whenever posting the usual concept, I can explain the what is use of the business area, all the things. Okay. Now we can create this configuration as of now. Okay. BH, I need to create BH, BH, BHYD. Okay. This is the BHL HYD. Then I need to create one more thing also. I need to create one more thing. I need to create the BHL and as well as BHSG. Okay, this is the BSL Singapore. BHL Singapore. Singapore. Then I need to create the one more BHUS. BSUS. This is the BHL US. Okay, we have to create it like that. Save it. Take a screenshot. Simple. I can create this naming only. And add it here. Okay. Then save it. Then after we need to create the functional area. This is a functional area, nothing but what are the modules you're using. For example, MM we can using the MM functional area, and what are the functional area you can use this. You can using the all the functional area. Okay. For example, MM either SD either whatever you are using the functional area, you can create it according to this functional areas. Okay, each of the department wise. If you want, we can create it one. Then, if you not necessary, we can leave it this configuration as well as for your consider as for your convenience. If you want, I can create a few things. FM, I think I need to create. If you want, I can create. If you not, this is not only. This is also reporting purpose only.
Okay.
If you want, I can create these few things. Better, I can copy these things. Okay.
Okay.
Production department, human resource department. Each of department we need to create this function area. For this is the only reporting purpose only. Okay.
Okay.
Then I need to copy here. Simply, I can put BHAD, BHAD, AM, correct? AD,
Admin.
AD. I can put here also BHAD, admin department. BHFD. Okay, I can put the finance department. Here also BHCD. This is only each of the department wise we need to how much amount we need to spend. BH, BHPD, capital department. This is our production department. Then BHPD. Okay. Production purchase.
You can put PUD.
PUD. And save it. Okay. Then you need to take the screenshot. This all the only one path only, right? Not
Yes.
necessary change any path, same path only. This is the function area configuration. If you multiple department is there, we can do the multiple departments. If you one or two department, there is nothing is happening. Then we need to go to the this one considered business area. This considered business area, na, what are the business area we need to consider? And only we have to consider the business area, domestic as well as the foreign. We need to create at the two, I think either business area nothing but each of the business area was. But this is the what is the considered business area. We can define the this business area. It is belongs to domain or the out for the foreign. We need to define these two things. Okay. Then go for the new entries. Go to the new entries. First of all, we need to consider the which business area. This one. Okay. BHL, BH, BH. I need to put the local. Okay. BHL. I can put the domestic. Okay. DC. Okay. I can put the BHL, BH. Sorry, BHEL, domestic business area. Okay. Okay. Then same thing also. I need to put the BH. BH. I can put the BH. What I need to put here? BH FC. FC. BHL. Foreign. Business. Enter. Take this screenshot. I can only define the two domain only. One is the foreign business area. Either we need to define the which level business area. We need to segregate it. We need to assign whenever assign that time is it required. Okay. See, this is the, we need to put more efforts na. We need to understanding the before any of other institute na, we cannot to create this kind of configuration. Okay. Only we can create the functional area, all the things. But this is enough. This is the required to the create whenever the posting the entry. We need to see the document level. If you take more hours, only no issue. But we need to understand this process. This is the time taking process. Okay. Then I need to create the another step is the financing. Okay. Go to the here. FM. What is the function? This is the function where we need to maintain the financial. This FM. I can go for here. Go to the new entries. Okay. BHL. BHL. What I put BHL, not I can. What I mentioned, bro, here BHL, BH.
BH high tech city, you can high tech.
BHIN. No, I need to put the terminology need clear cut. In this one, we can create the BHL FM area. BHL FM area IN. Okay. INR. Same, this is the one. BHL US SG.
శ్యామ్ ఎఫ్ఎం ఏరియా అంటే ఏంటిది?
ఎఫ్ఎం ఏరియా అంటే మనం ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ ఫంక్షనరీ ఇండియా ఉందనుకో, ఇండియాకి ఒక ఎఫ్ఎం ఏరియా మెయింటైన్ చేసుకుంటాం. అంటే కన్సిడర్ ఎఫ్ఎం ఏరియా మన దేని నుంచి రిపోర్టింగ్ కన్సిడర్ చేసుకోవాలని.
ఓకే ఓకే.
ఎస్జి, ఎస్జిడి, ఎస్జిడి ఇది చాలా మంది తెలియదు ఇది. దెన్ బిహెచ్, బిహెచ్యుఎస్ రైట్. బిహెచ్యుఎస్, then USD. Then I can
What
put
is the use of this?
This use of whenever to assignment level we can do assign this where we need to the reporting. We need to link to the my all areas, business area, the functional where we need to into the FM area we need to maintain. This is the reporting purpose only we can use this FM areas.
Okay.
This whatever create this article all of the only business reporting purpose only. Okay. Save it. Okay, then go to the here.
So all these details will be provided by business, right?
Business only.
Okay.
This one, all this, some cases is not using this, all the cases. Okay, but our understanding purpose only I can explain. So many things is not using this case. Okay?
Okay.
Then we need to create a segment. Go to the new entries. What I mentioned here, BHL, BHEL. What are the segments you need to sing? For example, BHL. This is the one I need to put the segment name BHL, BHEL. This I can put this. What I put this one cement. Okay, cement segment. This segment
is
reporting
segment
purpose.
means line of the activity.
Live of the activities. No. Segment nothing but a last me explain in the each. I can explain the segment. Segment nothing but a reporting purpose. For example, one building is there. Okay. For example, your BHL is there, Hyderabad. Okay.
Okay.
Hyderabad is the my company code. Okay. In the Hyderabad, multiple areas is there. Lingampal is there and Sikandrabad is there. This is the my business areas. Okay. In the business area, I have the one BHL is the Lingampalli. In the Lingampalli, one business area. In the business area, different department is there. Either manufacturer. Then each of the manufacturer we need to see the reporting. That is the one we have to do it. Okay.
Okay.
Then CG. Then BH. What I mentioned here, BH cement is done. Steel. Then one more we have to done. Textile. We need to create 3. Okay. BHL. BHEL.
TXT you can
I can put the CXT na better.
Yeah, TXT or something.
BHL. I can put the textile segment. Okay, I have to create these 3 segments. Okay, and save it. Now we need to assign this all company codes in the segment level. Okay, each of the we can go for the and another assignment for it. Okay. If you done like why is this system takes slow?
Yeah, when I was doing practice also, it was very slow. Morning I was doing practice, that time also it is taking too much time.
Sometime some network issues happen
And
also.
sometimes it's getting locked again.
Mm.
Username showing my name only again.
I tell you how to do it. If you lock, okay.
Okay.
If you lock now, go to SM12. I will show how to delock these activities. Next week onwards, now I need to take the two in the morning and evening. Okay. Why? Because now I couldn't explain the theory part. Only I can do the configuration only. This is not a good way. Segment. This is segment also done, right?
Yeah.
Copy this.
Then profit center is
Profit center we can do further. Okay.
Okay.
This is the we need to require the what is this configuration is required. Okay, this is done. Then go for the assignment. Can I stop or can I continue?
I'm okay, your wish.
I will continue.
Okay. I think it won't take much time assigning now.
This is not much time taking. Okay. Here na we should go for your company codes. BHL, right? IN. Okay. This is your company codes, right? First one, we need to go for here. What are your created? BHL IN, right? BHL, CBHL IN. Okay. Then we need to create the BHL US. Accordingly, we can see what we need to link to the my company code. For example, it is two company code. My BHL1 or is there my BHL2? These two company codes you need to belong to the two report. I can put the same only. Okay. If you these three company codes I need to consider the one company, we can put the same only. But it's different, I can change. Okay.
Okay.
SG. Here also I can put US. Okay. What I'm doing, each company code I need to segregate it each is. Okay. Okay. Then assign the credit controlling area to our business. Understanding? Company code level, I can assign my credit controlling areas. Why? Because what limit do I need to put here? Okay. PH.
How do you identify credit control area?
I have to create it just now, na?
Yeah. Those names, do you remember? No?
Boy, I forgot to change this, right? I forgot to, okay, it is there. See, IN,
Yeah.
US, SG,
Yes.
US, okay? Save it.
Better we should give same company code, or else we will get confusion.
I can put the same company code, na? Same naming only. That's why I need to put the same terminology. Data was saved.
Assign business area to consolidated business area.
Now we can go for this one. Consolidate. See. This configuration no one not take. This is last 3 hours. This is hours only. Go up little bit.
Assign business.
We can put the SD, USD. What is my USD? I can create it. This is the USD domestic. Okay. I can this you these two are the foreign. Okay. Understanding?
Yeah,
Why is
good.
created now?
Yes, we have created two, one domestic
Two.
and one foreign.
Foreign. Why? Because in the reporting consider only India, what we need to report, we need to consider. Like that, we need to create it. Okay.
Okay.
This configuration, it takes much time. Yeah. If you configuration is done, na, I can put a lot of scenarios, lot of. Then we can go for FM area, PHL, BH.
Company codes to FM area.
This is one based on the what is your IN. This is the Singapore rate. I can put the Singapore already created SG. I can put the US. Okay. US. See my company code assigned to my FM area. Okay. In the financial reporting. Okay. This is the one I need to create. This all the things reporting only. Okay, and save it. Okay. Then we need to here stored. Organized structure also. One is the pending. Profit center. Okay. This is the one I need to take after we need to create. We cannot create anything. Okay. Then as of now, we have to segregate the most of things we need to understanding these two things only. Okay. What is the credit controlling area? Nothing but a credit controlling. It is the abstraction, the what limitation. Okay.
Okay.
For example, the particular company code, what limit we have to put the credit controlling area. Okay. For example, here na credit controlling area, I can put, for example, I couldn't mention any amount here, BH, CBH, I couldn't mention any amount here, right?
Yes.
Okay, I can mention here my credit controlling limitation. I can put my delivery order, billing time. We can put this limitation. Na? The system it's showing this. If you posting the limitation, na, it is allow the particular limitation only. I couldn't mention anything. The limitation also I can put some amount. For example, 10,000 rupees. The system is allowing only 10,000 rupees only. Then other than 10,000, that the system we cannot posting any entries. Okay. Manually you can put it like this one. I couldn't mention anything. Okay. That's why I can put this empty. Okay. Then go back. Then company code nothing but legal entity. Then business area, each business area, what is the reporting? This is the functional maintenance, the FM areas. Okay. This is the one. Okay. Then tomorrow, if you we can do this configuration till what you done. If you want, we can share your mail ID, my personal WhatsApp number. I can share this document with you. Okay.
Okay.
This is the one we have to create today. Tomorrow we need to create what is the variant, what are the parameters is there in the variant level. Then accordingly we can go do the further. Okay.
Okay.
Chart. I think tomorrow, a day after tomorrow, I can complete this enterprise structure, all the configuration, and Saturday I can do the usual concept. Then next week, Monday or Saturday, I can do the postings. Okay.
Okay.
That you need to fast little bit for this config. Only for this enterprise structure and usual concept will take much time. Then the GL point will cover. But I can tell this very fastly only because of Raghavendra you are only. But I cannot to take this much fast. I need to explain all the configuration, all the step by steps. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Bye.